why we are talking about AI so much right now. I think it's especially because of the combination of two different factors. First, high performance computing, or we have an extremely power computers nowadays, but also due to big data. We have a lot of data nowadays. We are producing a lot of data, but this wouldn't be possible without telecommunication networks. So basically, why we are generating so much data nowadays. We have faster networks, cheaper networks, and most of the people can access these networks. So that's why we are generating so much data. Internet, or not internet, the World Wide Web is the biggest repository of information ever. The social networks contain a lot of different data that we can use for many different purposes. So for sure, we have there a very nice combination.